Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah man, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, just please continue guys to keep supporting my YouTube channel, you know what I mean? Yeah man, really appreciate you guys, really appreciate all the support you guys been giving me. Support is off the chain guys, you know what I mean? Really appreciate you all. Yeah man, my channel is growing. It is growing. Yeah, man, I respect you so much, guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. All right, so let's get down to business now, guys. Yeah, man. So today, guys, I'm cooking some catfish, and I'm gonna steam down this catfish in coconut milk. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, that is it, guys. Nice, lovely catfish, guys. Yeah, man, slice up, and I have it soaking in lime water. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, soaking in lime water, guys. Yeah, man. So the lime is good, guys, to for the odor of the fish. So when you're eating it, it's not raw. You know, you're not smelling that raw odor. Yeah, man. So just stay tuned, guys. Big up on yourself, catch it pre, and watch what go on. That is it. Alright, guys. So yeah, man. Washing the fish, guys. Have It's been soaking in lime water, guys. No joke. Yeah, man, and it's been soaking for over 15 minutes. Yeah, yeah, man, that is it, guys.
What you say? In the car. You say what? You say what?
Yeah, man, so I'm seasoning the fish, guys, with some easy spice all purpose, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, and this seasoning, guys, is straight from Jamaica. It's a Jamaican product, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, and it's a little bit salty, so you have to be careful of how you use your portion, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so just catch it pretty, guys, and watch what I go on. You see me, say, sir? Alright, guys, so secondly, I have my Maggi all purpose, guys. Maggi all purpose. Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Next week. How can I say it?
And don't forget, guys, look out for the next adventure. Yeah, man. It's coming up, guys, on Thanksgiving in Boston, Massachusetts. So we're gonna be giving you some clips all along the way, guys, from home to the airport, on the plane, when we land, cooking, yeah man, eating, having fun. We're just gonna keep you posted, guys. I'm definitely gonna keep you posted. So catch it pre and watch what go on. As me I say, yeah man, that is it. Third, I have my garlic powder, guys. Yeah man, that is it. Have my red pepper. Don't know like a food spicy, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Some Creole seasoning. Some garlic, some crushed garlic, guys. Remember, me tell you guys, garlic is the #1 garden seasoning. Don't forget that. I have my jerk seasoning. Walker's with jerk seasoning. This is the boss. Straight from out of Jamaica, guys. Yeah, man, straight out of Jamaica, you know what I mean? That is it, guys. So I'm gonna rub these in, guys, and let it marinate while I prepare my garden seasoning, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so just stay tuned, guys, catch it free and watch what I go on. That is it. So I'm covering this, guys, and let it marinate, you know, before I put it in the pot. So stay tuned and remember, this meal is cooking with Irish potato, cornmeal dumpling, and some green plantain. That is it. Okay, guys, so I'm preparing the garden seasoning. I have my chili pepper, my jalapeno, scallion, garlic, thyme, onion, yeah, with some carrot, some Irish potatoes, guys. Yeah, man, that is it. So just stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what I go on. See me I say? That is it. Okay, guys, so I have my fish here marinating in all Jamaican herbs and spices. So it's marinating properly, guys, and I have my garden seasoning here, so I'm gonna place it on top of the fish. Alright, yeah, man, that is it, guys. So I'm not gonna put this in the pot as yet. I'm gonna let it marinate some more for about 5 minutes while I finish preparing my garden seasoning, right? And I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumpling, guys. So just stay tuned. Real food this is me I say, real Jamaican food this is me. Some cornmeal dumpling with steamed fish, some steamed catfish, guys. So just stay tuned, and I'm steaming it down in coconut milk. You see me I say? So just catch it pre and watch what I go on. That is it. Yeah, man, so I'm covering this again, guys, and let it sit and marinate. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Okay, guys, so the pot is hot, so I'm gonna place the oil in the pot, and not using a lot of oil, guys. So it's my vegetable oil, you know what I mean? That is it. So just stay tuned, guys. Catch it free and watch how I go. Remember, steamed fish we are cook in coconut milk. That is it. Alright, guys, so the pot is hot, so go ahead. Yeah, man. Just go and burn some of the seasoning in the oil for a little bit before we add the fish. Okay, guys? Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so okay, guys, so the fish is ready for the pot, guys. The vegetable garden seasoning sauteed down properly, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the fish in the pot. Alright, come on. So just stay tuned, guys, and catch it free and watch what I go on. You see me I say? Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah man, so just cover the pot and let it steam for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Alright? That is it. Remember, you know, when we are cook fish or meat, we have to make it bunge down properly. You see me I say, before we add any liquid to it. That is it. Whether water or coconut milk, that is it. Grandma cooking. You see me say so? Yeah man. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk to the fish. Alright guys? Yeah man. I want a rich and nice, guys. That is it, you know. Wow, you smell that flavor, guys? Trust me, that flavor is off the chain. Yeah, man. So just gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little black pepper on it, guys. Not much, you know. Give it a little, you know, spice kick in. Yeah, man. That is it. Cover it, guys, and let it steam. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and start knead my cornmeal dumpling. That is it. Stay tuned, guys. Just keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. You see me, Assessor? That is it. Big up on yourself. Stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what go on. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna make sure I wash my hand properly with some detergent, guys. Yeah, man. And I'm gonna take off my ring. Yeah, no ring for finger when you need flour. You see me I say? When you make dumpling, no ring for finger. You know me I say? Yeah, man. That is it, guys. Yeah, man. Make sure I wash my hands properly, guys, with soap. Fingernail them already cut. Yeah, man, so no ring for a finger, guys. Ring in a pocket. See me I say? Yeah, man. Okay, guys, see, I have my all-purpose counter flour, guys. Yeah, man, so place the flour in my container. Yeah, man, that is it. And I have my cornmeal, guys. Yeah. Remember, you know, guys, no white flour, you know, cornmeal dumpling or some plantain dumpling. So me I say coconut dumpling, pumpkin dumpling, banana. You know, we just blend up something and add it to the white flour. You know what I mean? Some whole wheat flour, said speed. Yeah, man, that is it. So I have my flour, my cornmeal in my container. I'm gonna add some salt, about a half a teaspoon of salt, guys. Yeah, man, that is it, man. I'm gonna mix this in properly, guys, before I add my water and start kneading this flour. Yeah, man, that is it. Here, add my water, guys. Yeah, man, make sure you guys see what's going on, you know what I say? Yeah, man, just sketch it pretty, guys, and watch what go on. So you add your water timely, just a little by little, you know what I mean? That is it, guys. Mix it in properly, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so it's almost there, guys, so just knead it in properly, you know what I mean? Yeah man, just knead it properly, you know what I mean guys? Yeah man. Alright guys, perfect dough, you know what I mean? Yeah man, cornmeal dumpling, that is it. So I'm gonna let this sit guys, and I'm gonna prepare my green plantain. Alright, remember I have my Irish potato as well guys, so just catch it pre, big up on yourself and watch what I go on. You see me, I say that is it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna add a little piece of pumpkin, yeah man, to my steamed fish in coconut milk. You see me, I say so? Yeah man, just to get it real creamy and have the right body in your sauce, you know what I say? Yeah man, so pumpkin is washed clean, so I'm dicing it up right now guys. Yeah man. Okay guys, so I'm dicing up my pumpkin real fine, you know what I mean? So I want this to melt in my coconut sauce. Yo, what do you know about that? Yeah man, that is it guys, so just stay tuned and catch it breathe and watch what I go on. You know what I say? That is it guys. But you know man, I cook where I cook, you know man, you know, try to cook, you know, when follow, you know what I say? Man, cooking is my passion guys. Man. Alright. Sure, I have to check up on the pot now guys, you know? Watch the fire, you see me I say? Alright guys, so here guys I have my green plantain. Yeah? Yeah man. So before I put the dumpling in the pot guys, I make sure I put the green plantain first, you know what I mean? Yeah man. And I'm gonna boil some carrot as well. Yeah man. Very healthy meal I'm cooking tonight guys, as always, you know what I mean? Yeah man, that is it. Guys, remember we don't peel carrot guys. I personally don't peel carrot. See I say? Because most of the nutrients guys. So I say 90% of the nutrients from the carrot guys is in the skin, you know what I mean? One more. Okay guys, so I'm gonna place the plantain, yeah man, the green plantain in the hot water guys. Placing it in the pot. Yeah man, and then I'm gonna put in my cornmeal dumpling, you know what I mean? Yeah man, that is it. And then after I put in my cornmeal dumpling guys, I'm gonna put in my carrot. So stay tuned guys, big up on yourself, catch a pre and watch what go on. Okay guys, so ready to make the dumplings now guys. Yeah man. Okay guys, so that's the final dumpling. I'm making the final dumpling. Yeah, and it's a small one. That is it guys. Stay tuned, big up on yourself, catch it free and watch your go on. See me I say? So you know guys, that's the steam fish going guys. Steam fish in coconut milk. Yeah man, so you have to just shake it around, you know what I mean? Because you don't wanna stir the fish and mash the fish, you know what I say? So we just shake around the pot like this. Yeah man, the dumpling going guys. Yeah man, so don't know when you make the dumpling, put them in the pot, you give it a little stir, you know what I say? So they don't stick together. Alright? Yeah man, that is it. So just stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what I go on. Here I have my carrots in water guys. So I'm just gonna get my Irish potatoes together. Yeah man, so the Irish potato and the carrot gonna go into the water at the same time. Stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what I go on. And remember guys, don't forget, drop a comment, like, share, subscribe. Okay guys, really appreciate you guys. Just continue guys, you've been doing a great job so far. I really appreciate you all. Alright, stay tuned, big up on yourself, catch it free, watch what I go on. Alright guys, so the Irish potatoes guys, I'm just gonna wash them properly, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I'm not peeling them guys, just wash them properly underneath the pipe, in the sink, running water, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so they're very clean. And I have my scrub pot here guys. Yeah, and just wash them properly, you know what I mean? Okay guys, so I have my cutting board here guys. So I'm cutting these potato in half, you know what I mean? And then cut them, so cut them in 4/4, alright? Cut them in half and then quarters. So cut them in half guys and then cut them in quarters. Alright, that is it. So just keep supporting my YouTube channel guys, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Continue guys to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop a comment. That is it. So just catch it pre, watch what I go on. So right about now guys, I'm gonna place my Irish potatoes and carrots in the pot. Alright? Yeah man. It's about time, you know what I mean? You know? Yeah man. Yeah man. Really good guys. Really good. Good food man, good food.
So you plan on to be there too?
Of course, this is Tim and Andy.